Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 meme coins by market cap. We're going to start with, we did Dogecoin yesterday, with Shiba Inu, followed by PEPE, with POPCAT, BONK, FLOKI, Bread, Mew, MOK, and then we end with Notcoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu. Okay, so for Shiba Inu, we have a target fresh out of the oven at 1,000 Sato. Okay, no, it's not started. 1,000. Okay, let's put it at 1,000. 0.4 zeros and then 1,000. 0.401, right? Right now we're at 1,008. So in my opinion, I think we are coming back down. And this whole thing is going to turn into a descending. We are having difficulty breaking back above the skinny pink line. And things are developing in a very bearish manner. So in my opinion, I think we're headed towards 1,000 for SHIB 0.401, right? So as it stands, things are not looking good for Shiba Inu. Not at the moment. I think it's a downer. So be careful about going long for Shiba Inu. Could I be wrong, and Shiba Inu just goes up higher, taking out these highs? For sure. But as it stands, I'm of the opinion that Shiba Inu is going to 0.401. PEPE. Okay, so PEPE was a coin that we did last week. And PEPE gave us two targets, one at 360, one at 177. Right now we're at 949. I know it feels and it sounds insane. It's like, what? PEPE dropping this low? No, I think PEPE is going, no. PEPE is going back lower. More likely than not. This whole thing is a rising channel. Of course, we could be wrong, but rising channels are bearish continuation chart patterns. And if anything, even within this rising channel, there is a descending triangle. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, I feel Mountain 3 is about to complete, and then pump 360, pump 177. So as it stands, PEPE is still a short for us. No change from last week. We still expect it to collapse lower. Dog with hat, with against USDT. Not much information for with on Binance, on Gate as well. Yeah, nope, nothing much. But as it stands, right, what's the bearish case? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, we head lower. Right. So again, something like a rising channel. Potentially. I mean, of course, we could also do something like this. For sure. But as it stands, again, there's nothing concrete for with. It can still go both ways. But dog with head. So as it stands, yeah, nothing much for us to do. I mean, of course, you can trade the range, right? In and out. Or you can short in and then out, and then in and out, But as it stands, from a high time frame standpoint, not too obvious. POPCAT against USD. We'll look at it on Gate. So for POPCAT, we are rising higher and higher, but it's fairly weak though, right? You can see this rising channel as well. Usually, if it's a rising channel, more likely than not, a reversal is not too far away, right? Marginally higher highs. Not a good development, yeah. So as it stands, nothing much for POPCAT. Not at this point of time. BONK. Excuse me. BONK. Okay, here we are for BONK. Gate. BONK USDT. If you look at BONK on Gate, yeah, we have a target. Fresh out of the oven at 400. Right now we're at 2,100. So this could be a brutal fall for BONK. 80%. So that's why we're looking at meme coins, because meme coins more likely than not would be volatile. If and when the fall happens, it is going to be pretty quick in our opinion. Again, there's a noisy area over here. So as it stands, we're expecting 400 to be hit. Or 0.50 and then 4. Yeah, so as it stands, this looks to me like a left shoulder hit, right shoulder about to complete. Even within this right shoulder, you can see that there is a potential descending triangle that could be about to collapse. So yeah, BONK is not looking good. If anything, I think BONK is about to 80% towards 400. So be careful about going long for BONK. So BONK is just looking pretty ugly in my opinion. FLOKI against USD. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Okay, FLOKI, we have two targets, right? This was a target which we just acquired today. 29th of October, yes sir. And as it stands, FLOKI, and this is very clear. Look at this. This is a rising channel. Mountain 1, mountains. I think FLOKI is heading towards first, and then we go down to 4,330. And if and when this falls, it is going to be very, very fast for FLOKI. So as it stands, I don't think it's a good idea to be going long for FLOKI. If anything, I think, yeah, FLOKI is heading much lower. 6,008 and then 4,003. Potentially even lower. About 3,005, 3,000, upper 3,000s. Right. Of course, you want to look out for this low over here, right? There are many clusters of cells around here. So yeah, it could just drop and take out all of these clusters of cells for FLOKI. So I would preach caution about going long for FLOKI. We're already touching the skinny pink line. We are forming a bearish continuation chart pattern. So as it stands, in my opinion, FLOKI is a downer. Brett against USD. Let's look at it on Gate. Yeah, same thing. Right, all the meme coins are showing rising channels potentially. I think we'll probably clear these highs though. That's my guess. Ooh. And after that, we hit lower. And we complete a mountain. Rise back up, mountain number 2. That's my guess. So as it stands, not much information for Brett. So we're gonna have to put it into our watch list and wait and see. MU against USD. Here we are for MU. Anything for MU? Okay, so MU has a symmetrical triangle, right? And there's a breakout. However, this is a weak breakout. I don't really like what I see, but should MU hit all the way back down past 0.006, then, ladies and gentlemen, this whole thing could be a head and shoulders. And MU could be collapsing far lower, right? Going past 0.1 cent, potentially. So as it stands, I would preach caution about going long for MU. Yes, we have a target towards the outside at 2.8 cents. We might just do something like this and continue higher. For sure. But as it stands, if you didn't get in anywhere within this accumulation, I would still wait for a retrace first. And then hopefully there's a strong bounce. And then we continue higher towards the 2.8 cent target for MU. Where's this? MOK coin! MOK against USD. Here we are for MOK. MOK on Gate. Nothing much for us to work with. Very close to the highs. These are also, it's very clear support and resistance line. Maybe you go a little bit higher. Right. Up to maybe 29,000, 30,000 around there. And after that, maybe you come back down. Not too sure. Not much for MOK. Not at this point of time. Not coin. Not against USD. Here we are for not coin. So for not coin, we were saying that potentially we will drop towards this area at 0.5 cents. Right now we're at 0.7. So as it stands, I think not coin is heading a little bit lower. We are still expecting the target that we have here at 5497 to be hit. So again, stay safe, right? There could be a very large, strong rally, but at the same time, this is not what I would consider as a bullish reversal, right? We need to see the chart pattern form first before we do anything for altcoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.